Hey everyone, I'm Anjali. My topic is custodial death. Custody death refers to the death of accused during pre-trial or after conviction. The death is caused by the direct or indirect act of police during their custody. It includes death not only in jail but also on medical or private premises or in police or another vehicle. It uh, it is classified into three types: death occurred in police custody, and death occurred in judicial custody, and in the army or paramilitary forces. Judicial death can occur due to some natural sources where there is no involvement of any kind of foreplay by the police. Example के लिए For example, instance where a convict or accused die of illness, but the problem arises when the law enforcement authority get involved in the death of individual while he/she in their custody. It becomes extremely difficult to prove the fault of police in such case because of the tactics employed by them. Sometimes, even before an arrest is made, the accused are tortured by police authority, which enable the police to claim that injuries are not caused due to custodial brutality, but have occurred even before the accused was under the custody of the police. Fake encounters. These are some examples of custodial deaths. It is very difficult to establish the liability of the police and to prove them guilty because when these incidents happens, all the evidence with the police, so it's become next to the impossible to prove their malicious act. Custodial death is recognized as one of the most brutal form of human rights abuse. Constitution of India guarantee right to life and liberty to individuals and prohibit any kind of custodial torture to take out confession from the accused. Various laws which deal with human rights. International law deal with human rights. Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948, and so many international conventions are there for protect the rights of the individuals, personal liberty, and life of women. Thank you.